Okay guys, back on location again. I literally just pulled a coyote out from right here, this trap. I just don't know what to say about that, but check this here out. So I come over here. I had a coyote right here this morning. I don't know where he's at or what exactly happened. I don't see any sign of any damage. I don't see any blood or anything anywhere. But this sucker right here, he fought the trap till he finally got out somehow. I must not have had him caught very good. But that would have been my first double ever. That would have been. I guess I got a couple traps to remake. Not unless the one I just pulled out of this trap is, which I don't think so. I didn't look at his feet very well, but this one right here, yeah. That animal there had a bobbed tail. He didn't. Well, you can't tell from here, but his tail wasn't but about 10 inches long. I don't know what happened. Anyway, thanks.